Sometimes when our circumstance, situation and condition changes, so does our mind. Do you know why? Let me tell you.
Linking on my brain. Okay. Linking on my brain. I got linking on my brain. Whoa.
Once, there was a girl and she was blind. She used to hate herself a lot for being blind. The only person she didn't hate was her boyfriend, because he was there for her every time she needed. And she also said that once she sees the world, she will get married with him. One day someone donated her eyes and she started seeing the world. Then her boyfriend came and asked her, now you see the world. Now you see me and see the world. Will you marry with me? The girl was shocked to see that he was blind too. And she refused to get married with him. Saddened, broken and trodden, the boy walked away crying. The same night later, the boy wrote a letter saying, "It's okay if you don't get married with me. It's okay if you don't get married with me. It's okay if you don't love me anymore the way you used to love me before. But please, take care of my eyes, dear." Some people may not be able to see the way things were before, or might not be able to appreciate them. But once they notice, the past gets forgotten. There are so many things to take away from this story, not just one. And I would love to hear that from you. I would love to read your part of the stories. So please do write down on the comment box your thought, your opinion, your ideas and your part of the stories. I will really appreciate for that. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching video, and if you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos, because I'm going to make bunch of amazing videos in the future and share with you very simple but valuable philosophies for life.